So we are currently in our communications center, which is located at our police headquarters. And this is where we process all incoming and 911 and non-emergency calls for service. So we have a group of 8 students that came in today. So what we did was we split them up into 2 groups of 4. So the first group of 4, what they're going to do is they're going to sit with full-time communications officers or 911 dispatchers, and they're going to hear some calls come through, live 911 calls, non-emergency calls. They're also going to sit with people that are dispatching for fire, EMS, and police, so they get to experience and observe all of that. So they get to complete a ride-along where they're in the live center hearing the calls come through. So while the first group is observing in the 911 center, the second group is downstairs in our computer lab, and they're taking our Critical test. Critical test is our computerized test that we use in our hiring process for a full-time 911 dispatcher. We'll go over the life of a 911 dispatcher, kind of the qualifications, what the hiring process looks like, training, and answer any questions that they may have. So one thing that I hope that the students take away today is that just a great opportunity that it is for them. I mean, we hire at 18, and all you have to do is have a high school diploma or GED. We start at over $43,000. So we're teaching them everything they need to know. They don't have to have any certifications or experience. We're gonna teach them everything that they need to know. So our job is very important. You know, the information that we get helps, you know, capture suspects. It helps solve crimes. We help the officers with everything, call outs, scene safety, getting the information, and at the end of the day, getting our officers home safe and the public the service that they need in order, you know, whether that be EMS care or whether, you know, a crime happened to them and we're, you know, getting an officer there to help solve their issues and help them.